Good morning. I am here with the 2022 Toyota Prius. So, isa ito sa operation mode ng isang hybrid vehicle that once the battery or hybrid battery is low, automatically your engine will start to drive the MG1 that will act as generator to charge your hybrid battery. So as you notice on the monitor, so yung makina po yung magdadrive ng ating MG1 or motor generator 1, as during this time the MG1 acts as generator to charge the high voltage battery. Yan po isang mode ng operation mode ng isang hybrid na sasakyan. So titigil lang po yung operation ng makina at the moment that he will reach at least yung hybrid battery is at least 50% ng total na voltage niya. Okay, so as you notice, drain na drain yung ano natin ngayon, yung hybrid battery, kaya charge ni makina to attain its normal or at least required hybrid battery voltage to operate at low speed. So yan lang po.